GPT-5 has been out for a week and people are already doing some incredible stuff with it. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma and let me show you 10 amazing use cases of GPT-5 that you need to try out today with ChatGPT. Fundamentally, what makes GPT-5 better than the previous ChatGPT models is that it can now switch between regular and thinking models automatically. Plus, it is just a much better agentic model compared to the previous ones. It also writes more like a human. So let me show you all the crazy stuff that you can do with it today. The first one is all about the agent mode. Because of the long context window that GPT-5 gives you, you can now ask it to do a thorough research, use the internet, create a browser, search for as many sources as possible and give you the most accurate data in the shortest amount of time possible. All thanks to the ChatGPT agent mode powered by GPT-5. The first use case is asking it for financial analysis. For example, I wanted to invest in a private company. So I gave it all the information about the financials of the company and I asked it to do a deep financial research. Look at the market and its growth potential. Look at the financials of this current company. Look at the fundamentals. Look at the competitors. Look at the recent news in this market. And then tell me if it makes sense for me to invest in this company. Here's some information about me as an investor. You will not believe it took over 30 minutes to go through all the data possible, go through multiple websites, go through all the financial reports I shared with it and gave me an in-depth analysis of this particular company and if I should invest on it or not. It was really in-depth. I'm amazed by how much it can do. It can search and then give me the final output. Now, after using GPT-5, one thing is very clear. AI is advancing at the speed of light, and people who understand AI are the ones who are getting promoted and landing high-paying jobs. And I just found an amazing list of AI programs on IIT Program Advisor Marketplace that can help you learn these in-demand AI skills and advance in your career. For example, Advanced AI Certification, Machine Learning for Professionals, and Gen AI Application Development. These courses cover everything from Python to prompt engineering to LangChain and much more. And the best part, everything is hands-on. You'll be working with the top AI tools and platforms like Gemini, Hugging Face, and TensorFlow, and much more. These courses are live and interactive, not pre-recorded videos. You get direct access to mentors, live doubt-solving sessions, and a community of professionals learning together on Slack. So if you want to crack your next high-paying job, these are the actual skills companies are looking for today. Check out the link in the description to know more about these programs. And now, let's get back to the applications of GPT-5. The second use case is using agent mode for finding opportunities and jobs. So if you are on LinkedIn, the biggest problem you face is you're just applying for jobs right, left, and center, but you're getting calls from no one. Well, you can now use agent mode in ChatGPT. Give it your login information of LinkedIn, let it log in on your LinkedIn profile and it will search opportunities for you. Just basically enter your skill set, tell it the type of company that you want to work with and give it the browser. It will find multiple profiles, companies who are looking to hire people. It will take about 30 to 40 minutes and then it will come up with the top 5 opportunities where you can apply and potentially get a job. The way we use it in my marketing company is to hire people. So I gave it a job description that this is the type of people we are looking for. We want them to urgently join in our Bangalore office. So look for people who are in Bangalore only. And it went through so many profiles, looked at all of their experiences, if their experience matches with what we are looking for, and gave me a list of 10 people who are great potential hires. When I reached out to them, I even asked ChatGPT to send a personalized message to each and every person and it did that automatically. So you can now automate networking. You can now automate opportunity finding, all thanks to GPT-5 and its ability to think longer than the previous models, to improve on itself faster than the previous models. That's the second use case. The third use case is even more interesting. So imagine you are creating content. You want to make better content. You know the type of creators you want to make content around. So you can literally just go to agent mode of ChatGPT and just say that, hey, I am inspired by the following 5 creators on YouTube. I want you to look at their YouTube channels, find out the type of content that is working for them really well. Now look at my own channel, see the content that works well for me, and by looking at all of this information, create a list of 10 videos that I can create today which will go viral for my channel. I'm inspired by these previous channels and give me all the information. It literally goes through every YouTube channel, sorts it by most popular, looks at all the content which is working for this other creator and gives me all the insights I need. It's amazing for content research and it automates the task for you. So you don't have to do it yourself. You can literally just give it the browser, it will do it all for you and you can just watch it happen in real time. Now the fourth use case is even more interesting. You can create a screenshot of your website if you run a business or a screenshot of your LinkedIn profile and give it to it and ask it to optimize your landing page, optimize your LinkedIn profile for the particular opportunities that you're looking for the type of conversion rate that you're looking for on your website. It will go look at your website. How is it performing? It will suggest improvements, not just on the text, the copywriting, but also on the layout, the usability, responsiveness. It will look at all of that and give you a thorough research of it. And it is doing it much better than the previous models were doing. The fifth use case of ChatGPT-5 is helping you create better content. So you can finally have a custom GPT in which you can enter all of your previous LinkedIn posts. You can ask it to now create a new LinkedIn post based on a news that is out there. And it will do it really well. Why? Because it finally hallucinates less. It is finally able to write content which has more context, which is feeling more human and which can connect with the audience and can write very well in your own style. So it does it really well without all the emojis and the immature language used by GPT-4o in the past and do it really effectively for content writing. It's great for creating LinkedIn posts, for creating scripts for Instagram Reels, and a lot more. All you have to master is the prompts that you are using. By the way, I have this amazing tool which I just made myself when I was free called promptmaxer.com. You can basically go on it and you can ask it to create a in-depth JSON prompt for the thing that you want it to do. So let's say you want it to create an image of a duck flying. So you just enter, my basic prompt is to generate an image using ChatGPT image creator and enter the duck flying image. It will then create an in-depth JSON prompt mentioning everything from the reflections, the style, the background, the emotion, and it will give it to you that you can enter into ChatGPT image creator and get a much better looking image. This was the image that you made by just writing a single line of prompt, image of a duck flying, and this is the image that you created by using an in-depth JSON prompt. You can see the difference. It's all about creating better structured prompts and promptmaxer.com can help you with it. I just made this free tool. Go try it out if you want to. Now, apart from being great at helping me write better content, it can also plan for anything that I have in the future. So for example, if I have a 15-day San Francisco trip, I can ask it to plan the entire itinerary with the budget and every option that I want it to do. Now, you could do that previously as well, but now you have the opportunity for it to think longer. So it thinks longer about the problem, looks at all the alternatives, and then suggests me everything that I can do along with other options available to me as well. So it gave me the entire list of the places to visit, the place to live in, the food to try out, offices to go to, the people to meet, the events to attend, everything. It did a deep research on it and gave me the entire information in minutes. It's great for giving you in-depth information if that is what you're looking for. Another thing which GPT-5 is great at is coding, and particularly helping you create these 2D platformer games in minutes. So you enable the canvas mode when you're on ChatGPT-5 and you start asking it to create any 2D game that you want. For example, I asked it to make a simple space shooter game and it literally wrote all the code. It took permission from me, and then when I clicked on preview, I could actually play the game by myself. It handles all the physics really well of shooting the gun and everything. It also does a very good job of filling in the details. So I just wrote a very simple prompt that I just want a space shooter game, and it made all the details on its own, which is really, really impressive. What is the use case of it though? If you're thinking like, what will I do with making these simple games? Maybe you want to engage your audience. Maybe you run a business in which you're trying to explain a concept which is complicated like investments, complicated topic like insurance, any other topic that you want them to understand. You can ask GPT-5 to make this simple game that they can play and then they can understand the topic really well. Every major app, be it, Flipkart or Amazon or Netflix or Zomato, they're all integrating these games inside of their app that you can play to engage more with the app itself. And you can now do that with GPT-5. Another use case of GPT-5 is helping you build those internal tools and dashboards. Now, you can now create entire front ends by just writing a single line of prompt to GPT-5. For example, in my team, I have editors, I have designers, I have a manager, and I wanted to make a dashboard to see every video which is going out. So I just asked GPT-5 to make me a simple front end where I can manage all the content with the deadlines. It should be one place where I can assign a video to an editor, I can review how well that video has gone, and I can do that all on one platform itself. And it made it all for me to review. That is really impressive. You can even create these simple calculator platforms in which you can see for yourself how your business is performing. And depending on any lever that you change, maybe you're changing the CTR of your video, maybe you're changing the video average view duration, maybe you're changing the number of videos that you're making, you can see how much money will you be making by the end of the month as a creator. So these are small internal tools that you can make for yourself to make life easier. And you can do that now by just writing one line prompt, one shot, creating those entire front ends, all thanks to GPT-5. So it's really great at creating these apps and just amazing at coding. Another use case of GPT-5 is creating custom GPTs. You could do that before as well, but now let's say you want to make a board of directors who can help you live your life better. For example, I run a marketing company, so I can ask GPT-5 to look at these authors and founders, the type of books that they've written, identify the patterns in every single book and the message that they deliver, and create a document for each of these authors outlining their philosophy for doing business, for marketing, their learnings, their skill sets, everything. So I now have 3 to 4 documents, .txt files that I can now download from GPT-5, and I can create a custom GPT in which I can upload all of them, and I can now prompt it for anything that I'm facing a problem of. For example, I want to hire more senior talent. And for that, I can ask it a question that, hey, I'm trying to hire senior talent. What is the advice that you would give me? And it gives me a custom response based on the context it has about the people and their philosophy of doing business and hiring people and marketing in general. And that is wonderful. You can finally have contextual advice for you based on the learnings of people who've done it in the past. And you can even now talk to them with the voice feature. So it's like talking to your real mentors without having to meet them in person. Let's say you love the philosophy of Gary Vee, of Alex Hormozi, of any other person that you're inspired by. You can now have a literal advice GPT which can help you make better decisions and live life better. And now the last use case of GPT-5 is actually helping you make AI agents. You can access GPT-5 and its API key for NA10, for make.com. So you can basically use the power of GPT-5 for any workflow that you have. For example, I made a workflow recently on make.com which helps me turn any news article that I have into a LinkedIn post along with an image, and it sends it to me on email. Now that whole workflow will be powered by GPT-5, which makes it even stronger. I have another workflow which helps me plan my entire day. It can now do it even better, all thanks to GPT-5, because it's great at planning and thinking deeply about anything that I have going on in my day. You can also go to NA10 and build a complex AI agent workflow, all powered by GPT-5. You can also go to Lindy AI, and that creates a workflow for you. Let's say you want to take meetings and need notes for the meeting. Maybe you want to make personal assistants that can help you run your whole life, maybe help you pick stocks. GPT-5 will now be powering all of these automations and workflows for your life, which means that every output you get is going to be more polished, it's going to feel more human, it's going to be well researched, and at the end, it's going to help you become a better person, save more money and time at the end of the day. So those were the top 10 use cases of ChatGPT-5. Let me know below in the comment section, what do you think is the craziest one that you've heard in this entire video? That's all from me today. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. Also check out the AI programs on IIT Programs Advisor Marketplace if you want to start learning and upskilling in the world of AI. I'll see you in the next video. Hit the like button and subscribe.